So here is a web novel app. Read novels and manga, fantasy books, romance stories, read your adventures, kill time with hundreds of genres, 1 million novels and comics, which you can get. Dive into new stories daily, meet your beloved character, join the lively community, chat with your AI bookbot. So introducing all new web novel, your gateway to thrill and adventure stories. Immerse yourself in a world of captivating novels and embark on unforgettable journeys. We are here to redefine the way you experience online reading. Let's read your adventures. So that's basically the idea. And yeah, so something like that says just see here all of the details of the app. And then you can just open it up, and then here it is, and then choose a preference, more fantasy, more romance. So for example, you set it up in here, and then you can see all of these books which you can read. You can see the library, and you can just explore different genres. You can see your profile. There's like a rewards. If you wanna, you can just sign in easily. So just sign in easily with Apple. And then you have your account, and then here you just have it like that. Then there are some rewards. You can watch videos. There are a lot of what you can earn rewards, and then you can also invite friends if you wanna. So have an invitation code, or there is your invitation code which you can use. So that's basically the idea, what you can do. So try it out.